Alright guys, so if any of you are familiar with the LST, it is all-wheel drive. So it turned out, I think we broke something in the rear drive, but it isn't a video without an LST beating. We beat the crap out of it today. So please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe, because I went through all this today. I couldn't even get to everything I wanted to today. Also, go ahead and check out my trophy truck video. I've been working on that, and it is actually very close. I'm actually thinking it's the rear diff, so I might have blew the rear diff out. Definitely a lot better than blowing the transmission. These transmissions are actually surprisingly tough, but the diffs usually actually give out before, so that's good that the diffs could give out instead of your, $100 transmission. Alright guys, so I got the LST, is now back in the shop. Like I said earlier, I was thinking it's the rear diff. I'm really hoping it is. Same with Ducky over here. Just go ahead and take it apart and see what we're working with. And if you can't tell, this thing is filthy. That was a brand new air filter. So I got the rear bumper off, and this is how easy these diffs come out. Just these two little friction fit pieces. And then you just gotta, take a good grab at it, see if you can pull it out. Bear with me here. Alright, now it's coming out. Here it is. I'm hoping this is the problem. Yeah guys, I don't actually think it's a diff. The thing's mint. No play in it. It's not like a bearing blew in it like last time. So I'm going to go ahead and check the wheel hexes. If that's not the case, I might have a bad transmission. Are these supposed to be like hex shaped? Wow. I've never seen something that bad. That was just from today, guys. If you don't believe me, I didn't grind it down. That was only from today. I just took these wheels back on, and it was perfect. And look at it. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, guys, so that's the culprit. I actually feel a lot better, even though I lost a rim. Just a little reminder, pay attention on your landings, because that thing's got way too much power. You can see that just shredded that poor thing. But I checked the other side. The other side is all set. That is all good. It was just really this side that was just spinning, so that other side was diffing out. So the diff was just spinning, not really driving power to both wheels. So that's why we had those front wheel burnouts. Yeah, guys, a little inconvenience. But that'll pretty much be it for the video. So thank you so much. It means a lot to us for you guys to be watching our videos. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And that'll pretty much be it. I'm going to probably have to get a new rim, plus a new little guy right here. Kind of sucks, but this wheel actually is a little torn up, as you can see. So that's okay. This was the worst tire, thankfully, out of all of these. So I'm not too mad, but it also sucks. I got to find a tire. Anyway, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the LST beating. That will be it. So thank you so much. Ducky says goodbye. Now you throw yours because I missed. There we go.